Alright, so mission 3, the cartel is on the run and they fled across the border to a warehouse call sign Alamo, as you can see there in the center of the map. Down at the bottom you have the red circle for their respawn at the airfield, and US will be respawning at the city, the top corner there. The game was losing a little bit of daylight, so it's going to be kind of dark. We have only a couple of clips of some firefights in there, but it's overall a good game. Most of the players headed off towards the barrels and more of the stand-up CQB cover. My team, or the ARC team, Stark Industries, will be heading down to the riverbed, and you'll get some footage of that. There's some pretty good fights in there.
Alright, come on guys. You know they're gonna...
And right now there's hecklers on the other side of the field that are yelling. A little entertaining, but aggravating at the same time.
I know they are. Yep. Holy crap. Half the freaking team.
Hey, let's get some more guys on this flag!
We see them.
Don't let them touch you! Don't let them touch you!
Tonka, quit playing with the morons.
That's not me.
Who's yelling?
Oh, that wasn't me.
Don't worry, just play.
And then there's our neighbor who doesn't agree with the fact that we own the land, but usually we just play around him. So at this point, we've got several guys down the riverbed. They're creeping around here, so I'm trying to go and counter them. And surprise, surprise, I walked up on, I think 4 or 5 of them, which was really funny because they were packed together, which was just a good run with the AHE. And I think 1 or 2 of them got out of there because once I got behind this bush, there's another firefight. And that pretty much covers what happened during this part of the attack. I would have kept the camera going, but like I said earlier, we ran out of daylight. So as soon as I get hit here, we're going to end the video.
Ow! Nice shot! Hit!
So like it says here, the end of the game was concluded by U.S. forces. They threw a grenade into the Alamo, which was amazing, and stormed it, and pretty much wiped out everyone inside. So congratulations to the U.S. side, and we'll see you next time.